What's up mga boss? Welcome back dito sa ating videos. Today, we're gonna be talking about, is it okay to work for free? Okay, that's the question for today. Well, to be honest, since I started working online, being online freelancer, since way back 2015, hindi pa ako nakapag-try to work with a certain client na walang bayad. So, lahat ng naging clients ko, may bayad talaga lahat. Hindi ko pa siya in-offer na for free. But then again, it's really up to you. Let's say for example, kasi may na-realize ako this year sa 2024, a lot of agencies, a lot of VAs, and even mga startup companies, and even mga subscription-based na mga companies who are selling like software or any other mga subscription na mga style of businesses. Like mga free trial. Meron ka na 7-day free trial, 14-day free trial, even 30-day free trial. So basically, just to let their target audiences or their sino ba yung mga target market nila na ma-experience yung services or branding or whatever service that they are selling to their prospects. Okay? Now, this year, 2024, I wanna offer some free na mga services ko sa mga international clients ko. If the client will say something like, can you offer a free trial to your services? So, I'm planning to like give them siguro at least mga 7 days free trial. Example sa Facebook ads. And I know for the fact that sa 7 days talaga na performance ng Facebook ads is talagang meron ka nang makukuha na enough data or parang meron ka ng idea kung sino yung maging client mo. And your client will also have the idea kung ano ba yung mga abilities or capabilities mo on how you're going to work with them. So for me, it's a win-win situation. For me, it's good na mag-offer ka ng free trial. Pero siguro at least for me, siguro at least 7 days. Don't go beyond siguro sa mga 7 days. At least max 7 days. So, going back to the question, is it okay to offer free trial or free services or free work to your client? The answer to that question is depende sa inyo. Sa akin, working as a freelancer for the past 7 years, hindi ako nag-offer ng free trial. But this year, starting this 2024, I'm gonna be offering a free trial, 7 days free trial sa lahat ng mga services ko sa Facebook ads, sa social media management, and email marketing and all. So that's gonna be the goal for this year, and my advice for you, try natin yung mga free trial. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it for this this week's episode. So yun lang guys, thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye, God bless, see you.